Is retirement on your horizon? If so, you may be wondering what you can do to ensure a smooth transition for you, your executive, and your company. As we think about curating our careers, one aspect that sometimes gets overlooked is planning for retirement with respect to ramping down at your current job, preparing those that you support, and training your replacement. So, what can you do to be more proactive about planning for the retirement phase of your career? Well, the first thing is to create a transition plan. Your procedures manual will certainly be instrumental in this process. And by updating and teaching your replacement how to use it, you're helping them step seamlessly into their role and minimizing the disruptions to the company at the same time. Next, have a conversation with your executive about your retirement plans. With enough notice, your company can typically find someone to fill your position when you retire. It's a better transition for everyone when you can also train this person before you leave. And it's best when you and your executive can work together to identify the essential tasks and priorities during that transition period. Let them know what projects you can finish before you leave and what you'll need to hand off to someone else. And the more prepared that they are for your departure, the better. Third, allow time to work closely with your replacement. Now, this isn't always possible, but it's a true gift to the person who's stepping into your role if you can. And a procedures manual is great, but it doesn't replace that wealth of expertise, insights, and institutional knowledge that you've gained while working for your organization. And it's a tremendous value add when you can offer your guidance and support as they begin to navigate their new responsibilities, because a successful handover requires a fantastic mentor. Finally, it's time to start creating your strategic retirement plan. Just like a career plan has guided your career over the years, a strategic retirement plan can help you accomplish the things that you want to accomplish as a retiree. Do you want to learn a new skill? Re-engage with a hobby? Travel? Maybe you want to volunteer or even pursue a degree or a certification in another field. The possibilities are truly limitless. So create your unique strategic retirement plan so that you can take advantage of every opportunity this next phase has to offer. A successful retirement transition involves thoughtful planning and effective communication. And executing on this phase of your career with professionalism and grace will be part of that legacy that you leave behind.